Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's read is gonna be for the Taurus gang, and that will be for the month of August 2020. So let's see what we have coming up for all the Taurus out there. And if the reading resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like my readings, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any more videos. Okay, let's see what we have coming up for the Taurus for the month of August 2020. Okay, so my Taurus gang, I do see in the recent past your life going on pretty well. Your intuition was spot on for every single thing, or maybe you were not recognizing your intuition. You had a lot of opportunities in your life, you were not recognizing those opportunities. You did not realize what's happening in your life and what's coming forward in your life. And then I also see, let me just pull out some clarifiers here. Give me a second. Okay. So we have paths flying out. Okay. Taurus, what's up with you? What's up with you, Taurus gang? Oh my god, Taurus. What's wrong with you? So we have 3 cards here. Okay, Taurus. Okay. Underneath the deck we have this Temperance. Okay. Let's see. Very nice. Taurus, what's up with you guys? First, you have to tell me that in the comment section for sure. What's up with you guys in your love life? What's going on here? I do see your intuition was trying to tell you something that you didn't hear. You still went on the same path. You had a lot of opportunities that you did not avail. Okay. You were in your own thoughts and you were thinking whatever I'm doing is right. Whatever I'm getting is abundant. Like, you were thinking that you're getting abundance in love, you were thinking that you will be climbing a level up in your love life, you were thinking that uh, this is it, this is what's gonna happen with you, this is the person for you. You were, in your recent past, I do see you thinking that. So that is all that you poured in your life. Okay, and then I do see a mother figure or maybe a female friend who is very intuitive and who actually guided you about your marriage, about the abundance you were thinking, and yeah, about those things in your life, about your love life. She actually guided you about your love life. She guided you about the person that you were dealing with. And whosoever was the person that you were dealing with, whatever she told you, you definitely listen to her, and you cut the person off from your life. In the present situation, I do see you cutting off that person from your life, cutting off the person that you love from your life. And I see both of you parting ways. I see both of you going in your own little spaces. But you both love each other. It's not like that you don't love each other. You both love each other, but you're going your own ways because you let this person go. Or actually, you cut them off from your life. And then you were in like a little bit of, and you thought after cutting this person off from your life, whichever way you're moving towards, you will simply, that's the best thing for you. You considered it as a message from the universe, you considered it as a divine thing, and you thought that, this is what was supposed to happen with you and the other person, but you lost strength. After this person left, you lost a lot of strength. Maybe even in your career you went down. Even the problems that you didn't have in your life, you created those problems. You were so much emotionally unstable. You were so much. You were feeling so low. You were like, oh my God, what happened? And eventually, you thought, and in the near future that I see, that you are thinking that you have to make a stop to this situation, but in the near future I don't see, at least in the month of August, I don't see that this situation is ending. It's not going to be a new start for you, because this person is going to come back in your life in the near future, or maybe you are simply going to attract this person in your life in the near future, because you are feeling so low that you are simply going to attract this person in your life. And you'll think, and this person is again going to come wholeheartedly, very strong. And the energy that I'm getting about this person is that this person is not too much emotional about their love life. This person is not too much. This person does not think that much about their love life. They are pretty stable in their career. They are more towards, if love comes my way, it comes. If it goes, it goes. This person is like, okay, I am not going to do any kind of effort in terms of love in my life. Like, I am simply going to go my way. If it comes, it comes. If it goes, it goes. I do see that because you were in such low vibration, this thing did not end there. You actually manifested this thing back into your life. This person came in your life, but again, this person is more into their own life, thinking about their own career, thinking about their own job, thinking about their own specific life. So I won't say that this person is not emotional at all, but this thing does not affect that person as much as it affects you. And then again, you feel lost. You thought that you got the world when this person came back to you, but you don't feel abundant. You don't feel that much abundant with this person. Maybe this person is just not meant for you. I'm not saying that this person is bad or something, but maybe they're just not meant for you. Maybe the ideas don't match. Maybe what you want is not what they want at this point of time in their life. And there comes a new start. I do see you starting a new life. I do see you going towards your, like you are more concentrated on your job, on your career. I do see you being more concentrated on those things in your life, and that will be a new start of your life. Eventually this thing is gonna end. You will gain the strength, but it's gonna take you time to gain the strength. It's gonna take some time, and it's not gonna be a very, I would say a very happy period that you will be enjoying with friends out. You will be in a very joyous mood. No, not like that. You cannot get this person off your mind. You cannot leave this person. You cannot simply stop thinking about this person. And this person is actually into their own life. I'm not saying that this person is involved with somebody else. No, this person is not, but they are more into their own life rather than being into these kind of things. Like maybe they are not just about love at the moment. I do see you making a new start, but only in terms of your career. And I do see you gaining strength, and it's gonna take time. Gaining that strength is gonna take time. It's like you climb one step, you fall down. You climb the step again, you fall down. But that's how you learn. That's how you learn how to heal from certain situations in life. I also see, okay, let me just clarify one single thing here. Justice, strength. Okay. I won't say that this person is completely into their own life. There is some kind of deception also involved with this person. There is definitely a kind of deception with this person. Maybe it's not completely their own fault, but it's gonna be a deception in terms of if you are thinking, okay, that person did that, so did that to me, or so there is some kind of a deception also that's gonna come in front of you in the month of August. And you, after that thing, after you get to know that thing about this person, it's completely not in a negative sense. The deception is not going to be in a negative sense, but maybe this person just had to do it for the sake of their own family, or for the sake of their career, or for the sake of their job. This person had to do something maybe for their family. Maybe this person actually got married or something with some other person. They are not, this person is not negative. This person is not negative. This person is positive. But sometimes we are stuck in something that we can't just let it go like that. Okay, so you will get to know about this thing, definitely, but that will be the time when you will actually gain the strength. That will be the time when you will gain the strength and you will get out of this thing, and then you'll start getting everything abundantly in your life once again. Maybe not in terms of love, because for getting into love again you need to heal yourself completely, and also this whole situation needs to heal itself. Till the time this whole thing doesn't get healed, nothing's gonna happen. But I do see you happy, I do see you prosperous, I do see you financially abundant, I do see you moving towards your career with full strength, because now you will know that justice has been granted to you. Now you will finally be able to cut this person off from your life after hearing about this thing. You will be in your full strength. No one can harm you after this. No one can take advantage of you. No one can deceive you after this. After you get to know about this thing, you will be in your full strength. You will have abundance. You will have abundance in your finances. You will have abundance in each and every aspect of your life. I do see a little bit of unstable emotional energy, but that's not gonna harm. That will be at the back of your mind, because again I said the situation needs to heal itself, and you also will take a little bit of time. It's a matter of days. You will eventually get over this thing. It's not like it's gonna take you a very long time to heal yourself, but while you will be getting abundance in your finances, abundance in your career, I think this thing was important for you because you were not focusing on the opportunities that were coming towards you. Now you will be focusing on all kinds of opportunities, all kinds of career and job prospects, and yeah. Now you will be concerned about your own job, about your own career, and you will think how to flourish your own business. That emotional instability will just be there for some days and eventually it will just go away. It's not going to take a very long time, because the deception, the thing that you'll get to know about this person in the month of August is going to give you a lot of strength. Now this strength is for lifetime, so never forget about whatever this whole situation taught you, because this is simply a one-time situation, I would say. Usually this kind of situation only comes once in your lifetime, and if you learn from it, it's gonna come once in lifetime. But if you don't learn from it, maybe you're gonna fall into trap again. I won't say that this was kind of a trap for you, but still, you have to think twice before getting into anything in terms of your love life. And I do see you by the end of August. Definitely I do see you emotionally stable. I see you in your full strength, like no one can put you down that time, no one can come in your way. You will be in your full strength, you will be in your full strength at your work, and also you will have new opportunities in terms of your job, or maybe in terms of your promotion, which will give you abundance in finances as well. So it is a good read. It's not a negative read at all. This thing has taught you a lot. Just always remember the lessons that you got from this whole situation, and don't be disheartened at all, because this thing is once in a lifetime lesson, and it's a very important thing. It has to happen. To teach us something, we have to go through something. But Divine has taught you this in a very nice way. Divine has taught you this in a very pleasant way, I would say. It's not that bad. Could have been worse, but it's not that bad. And you stand in your full strength. You're gonna heal yourself. You'll be healed eventually, and you will say, thank you, Divine. Thank you for providing justice to me. You will be in your full strength, and I see you in your complete strength, abundant, in your finances, in your job, in your career, everything. So that was the reading for all the Taurus out there for the month of August. And do not forget the lessons that you actually get from this read and also from your life. Always remember all the lessons that life is teaching you. Okay, so it's a pretty good read for all the Taurus out there. And I'll see you all in the next video. Also, if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.